So we are staying in St Andrews number 41 in Seton Sands near Edinburgh. I don't know if this makes a difference, I think it's just the brand. I'm going to do a quick tour because when I booked here I couldn't find any tours online, so off to go. When we checked in there was a seal over here, from here to here, completely over the quay. So we knew that it was all sealed off and clean. Okay, so we come in, cupboard. Now we've unpacked, so none of this, well, all this was here, cleaning stuff, but obviously none of this was here. It's all our stuff, just for our wellies and things. And we'll go to the right. So it's a 2-bed. It is a deluxe, I think it was. So we have wardrobe, double bed, Thea's toy. As I said, we've already unpacked. Plenty of space under the bed. Thea's clock is already under there, the bag. Now, because the reason we got a deluxe is so that we would have this space here at the window for Thea's cot. So we brought her own cot because we weren't paying. Another wardrobe here, which I can't open because Thea's cot's in the way, but that's okay. And we did not know ensuite. But I doubt I'll use this because Thea will go to bed and I'll just sneak in later. All sealed and clean. And came with toilet roll, one in each bathroom, but we brought some anyway. I can't close that. Oh, there we go. Back out. Mum's room, again, twin room, only one was already kind of made up, but it's the two. This room's tiny. I guess if Thea was older she could have been in here, but she will fall. So yeah, look at this. There's like no space. Wee wardrobe there. And they do come with heaters. I don't know if they're electric, I think they are, but there are heaters in every room. Bathroom. What are you saying, Thea? Shower. Thea will have to have a shower, but that's fine, she'll fit in there easily. Nice shelves for everything. Mirror. We brought hand soap. Obviously nothing is coming with it. Thea's coming to visit. Here she comes. You brought your guys, don't put them down the toilet. Turn around. Good girl. Kitchen, you gonna show the kitchen, Thea? The only thing that came was a bin bag and a laundry bag. So everything else is kind of ours. Got some pizzas for tonight. Kettle, microwave. Is this open? Oh yeah, snacks. Snacks. Plates. Plates. Mugs, glasses, wine glasses. I think, is there anything? Yeah, things for cooking I guess, but we're not really gonna cook much. You're trying to get on the sofa? Nothing in this one, and I think there was like utensils, which is a bit random, but they're just sitting there. And oven. Gas, I presume? Yeah. Full gas oven. Little area for sitting. I did bring Thea's little high chair that clips onto chairs, but there's not really a chair. There's only these things, but she'll sit up there fine. We've got her blanket if she wants to sit on the floor. There's some shelves up here. Gas fire, I suppose. Is it? Yeah, it must be. Gas. TV! We've got CBBS on because we've been a star today. Haven't you? Yay! And I presume this pulls out to a double bed. Don't really know. We won't use it anyway. Probably does. That's about it really. So yeah, number 41 St Andrews at Seton Sands.